why you acting like a fool? Walking around you, it's cool. Please tell me how you stay so cool. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So why you acting like a fool? Trying my best to get you. Sometimes I feel that you're just cruel. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Could you give me a sign or maybe write me a letter? I just wanna get closer to feel the heat of your sweater. But why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for.
Hi friends! Welcome to another Clean with Us. Today we're cleaning Lara's kitchen. I'm extra excited for this clean because we're going to be tidying, organizing, and shopping. These mason jars are holding my fruit for my breakfast smoothies. I like to prepare them ahead of time. That was a really good idea until the freezer stopped working, and it was pretty gross. You can see my face in here, and it did not smell very pleasant. We picked out the fridge, and so I had a plan of how I wanted to organize it, but needed to go over to Lara's house to look at what kind of groceries they normally buy to make sure that everything had a place and that the fridge would serve the best purpose that it could. This is my favorite room in the whole house, and I love to cook. Of course, with cooking comes mess. They moved in less than a year ago, and we chose this house mainly because of the view. I am in love with this paint color. This is Sherwin-Williams Steamed Milk. I also love this color. I used it in so many places in the house. And this one, what was this one called again? Evergreen Fog. You remember everything. And not only is this my favorite room in the house, but it is my favorite room to clean in the house. Unlike Lara, I hate cleaning my kitchen. It is tedious, it takes forever. This is where all the gross stuff is. I prefer to clean my living room and vacuum. Those are my favorite chores. We would like to take a moment just to introduce ourselves. I'm Lana. And I'm Lara. And we're two identical twins who love to clean and tidy. I love it. Our goal is to help others be inspired to clean and tidy and to take on the challenges of their home that sometimes we get filled with shame because they stack and they build. Our goal is to no shame clean and to help motivate you to do the same. So whether you want to get up and clean with us
or sit back and relax,
either way, we want you to enjoy. Lara has managed to keep this plant alive for over 10 years. I'm not much of a green thumb, but I have been introducing more plants into my life. If you have any recommendations on low maintenance plants, ones that don't die easily, no succulents because they die, please put it in the comments below and maybe we'll add one for our next video.
Selector, rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector.
We got these wood dividers from Target and I really love it. I love the aesthetic. I love the look. For my kitchen, I kind of have like a retro 70s kind of theme. And so even though it's hidden in a drawer, I really love for everything to kind of fit and look complete. These rubber divider trays from Target cost about $2 a pack, and they're definitely great for dividing up the drawers. So Lana just reorganized this beautiful refrigerator and I'm so grateful to her. I'm going to surprise her with something in my own kitchen, but I am going to switch out my 70s decor, mushroom decor that I've been using for a while for this 70s mushroom decor, and I hope she likes it. I love mushroom decorations. My great-grandmother had decorations like these in containers in her kitchen, and it just feels so warm and homey, and I just love it. Now, obviously, I do not have a complete set, but the orange mushroom canisters, that complete set online is almost $300. I could not believe that because this was also gifted to me, and they got it at Goodwill or Salvation Army, and I am just so grateful that people keep their eyes out for me because this is so my style. Now we're talking 70s. Time for the kitchen reveal. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? More disco! A friend of ours reached out because they were moving out of their house into a condo and asked if we could come help them clean. And this is my favorite type of cleaning, not just kitchen cleaning, but wiping down tile, scrubbing sinks, floors, baseboards, all of that I love. What was really surprising is that this kitchen was actually really clean when we came into it, so we didn't really have to do very much deep cleaning. Yeah, it was pretty much perfect. I was very, very grateful for a fun clean. The only problem was that we had a very strict time limit because the new tenants were moving in the next day at about noon, so we wanted to get this done quickly to make sure they can get into a nice clean kitchen. Started by wiping down the cabinets with a vinegar and Dawn dish soap mix as a degreaser. The cabinets weren't very greasy, so it's just a quick general clean before we used Orange Glow to brighten them up. I don't know why, but I find this very satisfying. Recently discovered spray away glass cleaner, and I will never go back to Windex. This is amazing, amazing stuff. This is when we discovered that Lara accidentally sprayed spray away all over the screen instead of the window by accident. Even though this oven was not very dirty, we decided to use an industrial oven cleaner. It was horrible. And it was so funny because, it's just easy off, but we started spraying it. And then we realized that we couldn't breathe, so we had to escape the room for a couple minutes and come back to the job. But it actually happened a couple of times where we just noticed like all of our food started to taste like chemicals. So if you are going to use Easy Off or any sort of industrial cleaner, wear a mask. Open the windows. Yeah, just be safe, not like us. Also, I know that oven doors, the glass part comes out somehow. I just didn't have time, and I still don't know how to do it, but I think if we can figure it out, we could really make the oven door look a lot better. Yes, I'm wearing a bib. That's because I'm a messy cleaner. Also, look at the reflection in that door. Alright, we're going to use a magic eraser on our baseboards, and I will say that this is one of the best cleaning tricks I know. Not just to use a magic eraser, but to actually clean the baseboards in your house. It makes it look like it was done by a professional, and it's one of those things that we all forget all the time. So check this out. Of course, these are beautiful white baseboards, so you can imagine that they are going to come out really, really nice. But we just get that little lip right here. And then that's just the top. There's still more to go. Now, watch this guy come off. And of course, I just ripped out a tiny piece of eraser. Probably gonna need a little more eraser than that, but this little guy can go really far. Wipe away the residue you left. These are some paint chips here. Looks like they had some trouble painting, but looks a million times better. This summer, we've made it our mission to help families in need. Our goal is to spread an awareness of no shame cleaning and that we need to normalize messy homes and help each other out cleaning those homes. Yes, we definitely want to end the stigma of your house has to be perfect when your friends come over. How about even better, clean with your friends? It's always more fun to clean someone else's house. And it is a gift. It takes weight off of others' shoulders when we help clean. I mopped once with the Swiffer mop, but then I'm coming back with the steam mop. And I don't know which YouTube video I learned it from, but putting essential oils on my steam mop, like lemon and orange, makes the whole house smell very fresh and clean. You did a great job on that clean. No, you did. No. Wait, come back. Get back here. Come on. No. Seriously. Oh, God. No, that's a bad idea, too. Okay, come on. Just don't drop anything. Don't break anything. Oh, my goodness. This is really happening. Okay, I got her. There you go, kitten. Thanks for joining us in our clean. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and join us next time for our next clean. Like and subscribe.